and welcome back to Maths with Sukirti Gaur YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to start with question number 8 of exercise 2.5 chapter 2 polynomials. This is from class 9th Maths NCERT book. So we are done with question number 7. Now in this question number 8 you have to factorize each of the following. So you need to find the factors of the following parts. Let us start with part 1. 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So in the previous question number 7, if you have done that, you have seen that we used formulae a plus b cube and a minus b whole cube, right? So if you have not done question number 7 with me, please do watch that video. You'll understand how we have done there. So in this question also we are going to use these two identities. How? Let me first write the expansion of these two. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. A minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. With that, if we see our part 1, in this, can I write this 8a cube as 2a whole cube? Yes. B cube as b whole cube. This 12a square b as 3 into 2a whole square into b plus 3a b whole square. 3 into 2a into b square. Now if you can clearly see here, 2a cube plus b cube plus this 12a square b, I have written this in the form of 3a square b. Now here I am taking a as 2a. So if you will see clearly here, if I write this as, let's say I take a as 2a and b as b. Now if I try to make a identity with 2a plus b whole cube, how will I expand it? I will expand it as a cube means 2a cube, right? B cube, b whole cube, 3a square b, 3a square b plus 3ab square, 3ab square, right? I will be expanding 2a plus b whole cube like this. Yes. So if we see with full focus, we are having this same arrangement in the previous line where I have converted 8a as 2a whole cube, b cube as b whole cube, while I have written 12a square b as 3 into 2a whole square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square, which is nothing but is in the form of 3a square b plus 3ab square. It means what we have got here is the expanded form of this formula. It means our a is 2a and our b is b, such that 2a plus b whole cube is going to open as this one. Okay? This is the expanded part of 2a plus b whole cube, such that our factors would be 2a plus b, 2a plus b into 2a plus b. This is the factors of first part. Similarly, we are going to do the second one. Let's see. Now in the second part, we have 8a cube plus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Now again in this one we have same terms but different signs. Okay, so how am I going to do this? 2a whole cube plus b whole cube minus 12a square b, we can write it as 3 a square b. A is what here? 2a again. 2a square. 3a square. B is b only. Plus 3ab square. A is 2a and b is b square. Okay, so if we compare this with this one, the expansion of a minus b whole cube, so you will see this is in the form of a cube. Sorry, here it was negative. Yes, so a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b. What is our a here? A is 2a, okay, according to the question, plus 3ab square. So if I compare this line with this one, we are getting that this is the expanded version of a minus b whole cube, where we are going to take a as 2a and b as b only. Okay, so this is the expanded version of a minus b whole cube. What is our a? 2a minus b whole cube, right? So what is our factors? Factors are 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b. These are the factors of second part. Coming on to the third one, we have 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. Now again we are having 4 terms. In this also, this is also the expanded form of identity, some identity out of these two. Okay, if I try to write this as 3 whole cube, right, minus 125a cube, we can write it as 5a whole cube, minus 3 into a square. If I take a square means 3 square and b as 5a. The last term as 3ab square. 3a is 3 only and b square is 5a whole square. So if I solve this, am I getting 27? Yes. Minus 125a cube? Yes. Minus 135a. If you solve this, 3 into 9, 95. 3 into 9, 27. 27 into 5 is 135a plus 3 is 9 and 9 into 25 will give us 225a square. So yes, we are getting this line as it is if I write all these terms like this one. Okay, so it means if we compare this with this one, this is nothing but the expanded part of a minus b whole cube. Now what is our a here? A is 3 and b is 5a. With that, we can write this whole thing as a minus b whole cube, that is 3 minus 5a whole cube. Factors are 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a. These are the factors of third one. So we will be doing next 2 parts in next video, because this video is going to be very long for you then. If you have understood all these parts we have done here, so please like the video. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, do subscribe to the channel. Please hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update. Till then, take care. Bye bye.